Among the many features of a Witt lining system's liner is the ability to fold it, allowing for long-term storage. This means you can have a tank liner in your facility ready for immediate installation if an emergency should occur. Or a liner can be waiting for installation during a planned shutdown. If properly folded, a liner can be stored for many years. A Witt flexible liner can be stored for many years before being put into service. The liners are folded as tightly as possible for the most economical shipping rates. However, we don't recommend storing the liner in its original shipping container for more than 30 days. Doing so can possibly lead to stress cracking on the folds. Even so, a stress crack can be quickly repaired with the scrap material provided in the box. With the liner unfolded on the floor, loosely refold the liner in half along its shortest dimension. Then fold the liner across its largest dimension as many times as needed. Use the cardboard cores originally shipped with the liner to help support the looser folds being made. Place the liner on a skid for easy movement, and if needed, cover the liner with cardboard or padding. The critical point is to make sure the folds have a nice round radius and don't come to any sharp points or form creases. This will prevent unwanted creases from forming in the liner that would affect its fit or performance when the liner is finally installed. The liner can be stored in this condition for years to come. In summary, a liner should not be stored in its original carton for more than 30 days. Relax the tighter folds created for shipping and make larger rounded folds. Store the liner in a dry area that is maintained at 70 degrees Fahrenheit or higher. For more information, please contact our office or visit our website at wittliners.com.